Squad. I got my gloves on.
Please stand clear of doors and hold onto handrails.
Hi ETT Squad, we're on our way to Gatlinburg, Tennessee, and I'm taking you guys with me. Let's go. ETT Squad, now we're flying on our private jet, American Eagle, to Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Well, Knoxville. Then we're gonna go to Gatlinburg. Rocky Top, Tennessee. Rocky Top, Tennessee. So we're on the CRJ 900A, but actually look how much room Lovey has. A lot of space, comfortable leather seats.
It's like first class.
Yeah, first class on American Airlines. It's Christmas in the Smokies, and we're staying at Westgate Smoky Mountain Resort. Look, we're going to dust of snow. So beautiful. What a perfect morning. What a perfect vacay. We're up in the top of the mountains. Super high. I wonder if we can see some bears. Look at how gorgeous. Nothing like a dust of snow, right, on the mountains?
Day one.
Day one.
Wake up to this.
We missed the fall, but we got a little bit of dust of snow. And look, we got snow on our balcony.
Is it cold?
It's cold, it's freezing.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belt.
Welcome ETT Squad. We finally arrived to Gatlinburg, Tennessee. We're here at the Smoky Mountains, Westgate Smoky Mountains. Let's take a tour. I'm going to show you our one-bedroom suite. Let's go. 31C. So last night it snowed, so it's our first snow here at Gatlinburg. I'm so excited. But it's going to be sunny the next days. So let's take a tour now. Here's our key card. Washer and dryer right in this area. So I guess they have this like little lobby, so when it snows you don't get the snow inside your suite. Let's go. Whoa, this one bedroom suite is so nice. What I like about it is that right when you walk in, nice hallway leads to the family room and kitchen, but then you have this big mirror. My cozy hat. I'm ready to explore ETT Squad. So right behind the mirror you have a full bathroom. Look all the cabinets. You have a shower too, right? You have a shower in here? Yep, you got a shower. A huge shower. Huge shower, look at this. Two big showers. huge shower. You got your full kitchen. I love having our own kitchen. Nothing like having a kitchen. We're addicted to these one-bedroom suites, right, Lovey?
Mm-hmm.
And this is our first time at Westgate. First time at Westgate in Smoky Mountains, so we're excited. But right now, we're cooking a yummy chili. You can smell the chili. First, we're going to start off with red beans, 3 cans of red beans, 3 green bell peppers, tomatoes, onions, tomato paste, olive oil, chili powder,
Red
which one's
pepper.
this one? Red pepper, Himalayan salt, cumin, and oregano. Oh yeah, it's gonna be delicious.
Drinking hot wine by the fire.
We just added the green bell peppers. We have the red tomatoes now.
It's Christmas. And some kind of love, my friend. Pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too?
It smells so good. Cozy chili.
It's Christmas.
And here's our view from our kitchen.
Outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight.
From the kitchen, you go into the dining room and family room with a full fireplace and flat screen TV. And it's so warm in here. But I love this table. Look how pretty the table is. I love the way they designed this whole suite, this one-bedroom suite. How many? 2, 4, 6 seats. Big, fits a big family. So cozy to just, if you want to kick back and watch a little TV. Good, nice sofas, huh? I think is this a sleeper? I'm not sure. Maybe not.
No, probably
No,
not.
probably not.
It's really nice though.
Yeah, nice, and I'm shocked with the coffee table. The coffee table's a good size. The side tables, this is huge, but nice. I love the lamps, wood, the decorations, and I love these chairs. These are cozy, cozy. So I got this area. You have this area to hang out, the dining room, and my rocking chair in front of the fireplace. Perfect. Look at how beautiful the carpet in the family room. Look at the bears. Smoky Mountain bears. And then right by my rocking chair.
Actually, here's
Fireplace is like Wilderness Lodge.
when you miss it, there's a bear claw.
There's a bear claw. Oh yeah, there's a bear claw right there. Also, you can enjoy your hot chocolate and watch Christmas movies. What a view. Now I'm waiting for some bears. And look all the snow out there. See that section right there? What's craziest to think is see those cabins over there by the winding road? Those were burned down at once. And same with this building. What year was it, in 2019?
2016.
2016 is when it all burned down. Most of it.
All of it.
All of it.
That's all brand new.
Brand new. Oh, I would love to see some bears right here. This balcony leads to our bedroom. Love that. Look, there's still snow here. We still have a little bit of snow left from this morning.
Oh, it's such a charm, got you up in my arm. There's nobody at the door.
Now let me show you the master bedroom. Let's go. Love the headboard. Look at the branches. Cozy bed. 2 nightstands, and I love the nightstands. Look at the nightstands, how cute with the bears. The black bears, so pretty. Then you got your own desk. I'm going to show you the desk before I show you everything else. You got your own desk, of course, with your flat screen, more drawer space. Tub time. You got your own tub right next to your bathroom. I love this. I got to use this tub. I got to take a bubble bath for sure. And of course, you got your main bathroom. 2 sinks. You got your toilet in this room.
And they all look the same.
Yeah, they look the same. 2 sinks, a lot of cabinet space, and a huge shower. I love the shower here. Hot water after a cold day. And then you have your huge closet to put your suitcases and hang up all your clothes. Plenty of room in here. Plenty of room. So far, I'm loving it. What I love about the master bedroom is that you can walk out to the balcony. So you have the view of the mountains, the Smoky Mountains. Oh, we made our salad with the steak and blackberries, lime, tomatoes, walnuts, and then our famous chili, delicious chili. Van transportation from our cabin all the way down to the lobby, the spa, and the water park. So awesome. I'm loving it. Because it's hard to drive. I mean, it's kind of hard to drive down the mountains, right? Too steep. This is cozier like this. I love the transportation. Mommy, let's go have some sips. So pretty. I love this bar. Free sips, new wines for 2022. Look at Moscato, cotton candy, pineapple rose, watermelon crawl, sparkling peach bubbly. Look at how pretty the bottles are. Chocolate and then pumpkin spice. Chocolate was delicious. Now I'm going to try the pumpkin spice. Love the bottle. Pumpkin pie. It's called pumpkin pie. I like the way they have all the wine bottles. Okay, these are the different ones. Delicious. We definitely have to get a bottle. What is the price, sweetie? $25 ETT squad. I like this one. I like the pumpkin spice. Chocolates, fudge, and ice cream. Let's go inside and check it out. Oh, it's Gilwins. We've been to these in other locations in Florida. St. Augustine and Stewart Beach. Sea salt caramel apple looks delicious.
I don't know.
And that one looks pretty delicious too. The one over here. What is that one called?
The apple pie caramel.
Apple pie caramel apple. That looks good.
It's a caramel apple dipped in white chocolate rolled in cinnamon sugar. Yes.
Yummy. So many cute snowmen all over Gatlinburg. So they replaced the pumpkin. What were they? The pumpkins.
Halloween's out. Christmas
Halloween's
is
out.
in.
Christmas is here. ETT squad. Look at how cute he is. He's adorable with the green hat.
Frosty.
Frosty the snowman. Do 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 do.
And experience the excitement of a catastrophic disaster train ride during an earthquake. Great fun.
The banjo. They're so cute. My little frosty friends.
What's cool is it?
Yeah, it's like a
Reflection. I got the reflection.
Oh yeah.
The sky mirror.
Across the bars, you do it. Don't be shy. Show me what you got for a road chopper, all right? What happens in Gatlinburg, go stay in Gatlinburg. And if y'all decide to film it, tag me in your OnlyFans, all right? There we go.
Hey, I'm gonna need your tag first.
I'm a tag. I got you, all right?
They got a lot of stuff here. Eggo noggin. I love the cups. It's like Super Dave. Super Dave. The Wheel of Death. We're having so much fun in Gatlinburg. Love it. It's so fun. But it's so chilly in TT Squad. I've been freezing all day. Today the high has only been 32. The biggest pizza.
Biggest slice of pizza.
Biggest slice of pizza on the East Coast. That's huge. You got pepperoni and you got cheese pizza. Yeah, the tax is, what is the tax on this?
It's $9.75.
$9.75 for a cheese pizza. Huge. Frosty has some Christmas cookie for ETT squad. Chocolate chip cookies. They're huge. I love his I love your mittens. He's sweet. That is too cool. Tennessee taffy. You wanna try some Tennessee taffy? Let's go. Let's go try some. Banana and chocolate, delicious. Like it. Huh? Yep. Fresh off the press, it's warm. You getting your little shoesy woozies on? What's your name?
Say, my name's Argo.
Argo? He's a sweetheart.
Go say hi.
Go
Say hi, Argo.
Hi, Argo. Oh, and is he a military dog? Oh, what a sweetheart. Thank you. Dancer and Dasher and Rudolph and Blitzen. I love this area here. It's on Christmas. It's so pretty. I feel like I'm in Europe. Actually, I feel like I'm in Germany. It looks a lot like Germany. Famous donut shop here in Gatlinburg. Oh, the smell's wonderful. Oh, so good. Cinnamon cake donuts, and then tomorrow morning we'll come back. Sweet. Looks delicious. Thank you so much. No problem. They got chocolate, rainbow, powdered cake, chocolate chipper looks good. And this is a cinnamon donut. Luckily they still had donuts. I thought it was closed. We're gonna come tomorrow morning to start our day in Ober Mountain. Really good. All we need is coffee. Hope you enjoyed our video today of arriving here from Orlando, coming to Gatlinburg, Tennessee, and the whole room tour at Westgate Smoky Mountains. Tomorrow we're gonna go to Ober Mountain. Tomorrow's next video, part 2. Make sure you subscribe, BTT Squad. Love you guys. Bye.